Those numbers are right in line with what the agency has been saying for the past week, that the cases will keep coming.
4 of those with coronavirus have been hospitalized, and we have no information on their condition. The other 48 are quarantining themselves at home.
The Maine CDC says it is taking extra care to make sure that the people who test and treat those people stay healthy themselves. News Center Maine's Don Kerrigan is in Augusta tonight with more on that. Don.
Hi, Cindy and Rob. We can take some comfort in the fact that over 2,000 Mainers have been tested and did not have coronavirus. But unfortunately, 52 do have it at this point. And as it has been saying, the Maine CDC expects there will be more.
Maine CDC is currently reporting 52 cases of COVID-19 across the state.
It is 10 more cases than yesterday, and the virus has now been found in one more part of the state, Hancock County. More concerning, perhaps, is that 2 additional cases have been found at the Ocean View Senior Citizen Facility in Falmouth, bringing the total number of cases there to 4.
Based on what we've seen in other communities of this sort across the country, they are concerning.
Those same concerns are focused on Maine healthcare workers, the front line of defense in the coronavirus battle. One of the cases reported earlier is a nurse at a hospital in Damerscott. Hospital officials say they are confident the virus was not caught there and that all the other precautions have been taken. But with the COVID-19 spreading, Dr. Shah says all healthcare workers are needed.
2 of our highest priority groups right now are healthcare workers, those who work in hospitals and our vital first responders on the ground.
He says that's why the CDC is pushing harder than ever to get more protective equipment, especially masks, from the federal government.
Based on data that have come from other countries, we fully recognize the risk that healthcare workers face. We want them to have the PPE that they need in order to take care of patients as well as to continue testing patients.
He says they all need a steady supply of masks and other gear to keep them healthy and make sure healthcare workers can screen and care for as many people as possible. Just one more step in the ever-evolving virus crisis.
Now, the CDC says they have received some of those protective materials from the federal government. Governor Mills has written to the White House urging them to release more of that supply from the national stockpile of it. And Dr. Shah at the Maine CDC says not only do they want to make sure they get more of those masks and some other equipment, but that they also the government also needs to be providing more of the chemicals that are used for testing the coronavirus. We've heard all about the testing. And he says there is growing national concern about having adequate supplies of those. Rob and Cindy, back to you.